President of the Republic of Azerbaijan Ilham Aliyev attended the opening ceremony of the restored Sadigjan House, a historical and architectural monument in Shusha, on July 11. Aydin Karimov, special representative of the President of the Republic of Azerbaijan in Shusha district, briefed the head of state on the restoration project. During the occupation of Shusha, the building remained neglected for many years, resulting in severe deterioration of its roof, floors, and stone masonry. Part of its architectural elements was damaged, while the engineering infrastructure became completely unusable. In accordance with an order signed by President Ilham Aliyev in 2022, funds were allocated for the design and restoration of the house where renowned Azerbaijani musician, tar virtuoso, composer, and innovator of the tar, Mirza Asad Olu Sadigyan, lived. President Ilham Aliyev and First Lady Mehriban Aliyeva visited Sadigjan's house in 2022. A year later, the head of state reviewed the restoration concept, and restoration work on the historical monument commenced in 2024. Located on Sadigjan Street in Shusha, the house museum comprises a basement and 2 above-ground floors. Architecturally, the building is distinguished by its pointed arch windows and the relatively large stone masonry framing the entrance. It is included in Azerbaijan's list of historical and architectural monuments of national significance. The restored house museum features exhibition halls dedicated to Sadigjan's life and legacy, Azerbaijan's national musical heritage, and Shusha's rich literary and artistic traditions. The complex also includes a concert hall, a Mugam exhibition hall, a cafe, a souvenir shop, a reception area, and a musical instrument workshop. The head of state was informed about the sculpture The Voice of Eternity. The sculpture presents a symbolic artistic interpretation of the tar, Azerbaijan's national musical instrument. In the composition, a tree rising from the instrument strings symbolizes music emerging from the native soil, drawing strength from the nation's historical memory, and being continually renewed. The tree also represents deep roots, resilience, and rebirth. The work is dedicated to the rich cultural heritage of Shusha, widely regarded as the cradle of Azerbaijani music. It portrays music not only as an art form but also as a symbol of national identity, spiritual values, and historical memory. The monument was created by honored artist Rashad Najayev.